What's up guys, the Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to show y'all how to take off the roof of this car and stick it in the back in case y'all want to drive with the top off. Now this goes for all C7 Corvette owners, whether it's a base or a Z06 or a ZR1, doesn't matter. All Corvettes in the C7 generation have the ability to take the top off and put it in the back of the trunk in case you want to roll with it down. So I'm going to try to explain how that works. Now you can do it with two people, but that makes it easier. If you only have one person, it's just you, I will show y'all how to pretty much take it just by yourself, and it's pretty easy, okay? But let me show y'all how to do that right now.
All right, so the first thing that helps with getting this done, pretty much, let's go ahead, we're gonna unlock the doors and open them up, okay? Go ahead and open the back trunk up, have that up all the way. Oops, some water's falling. Open this other door as well. Now, what I'm gonna show you here, this is crucial, okay? There are, inside, before we actually start moving stuff around, let's move these down. Now this right here and this one right here, these little grips there, they're holding this in front, on the front part, and then this part right here on the back. This thing, this little latch right here, this is holding the back part off. Now, in order to get this off, pull this back, pull this one back till they're both like that, okay? Now this one, there's a little button right here. Press that, it's gonna release it. Now what you're gonna see, when you actually place the top in this back part, it's gonna go right here in this. It'll kind of just slide right in on this side and then slide right here on this side. Now once it's in all the way, there's two spots right here. This little port right there, and then this little port right here. It's gonna pop down in there and hold it right in place. Now to take it out, I'll show you in just a second. All you do is lift it up and then pull it out, and that's it. That's pretty much how it's gonna fit. So let me show y'all how we do that.
All right, so just remember, try to put your hand right in the middle when you lift up. That way you can kind of balance it when you first pick it up, okay?
Now, like I said before, it's gonna slide directly in, front facing forward, okay? Just like so, and then press down, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen, just like that. And then you can roll with the top off, like you see there.
Okay guys, just remember, it's gonna go right into those slots, like I showed you, just like that, okay? That's how you know it's in, it won't go any further. Now, when you press down, remember there's two slots right down here, okay? Two slots. Bam, it's in. Those two slots right there, hold it right in. To get it out, all you do is just reverse, pick up, and then lift out, and then you can go put it right back on the roof.
All right, now what I want y'all to see is, when we put the top back on, there's little grooves right there, and then right over there on that side. It's gonna slide in this little groove to hold in position, and then same thing here. It's gonna slide right there, and that's when you clamp it down for both sides. All right, now remember to take this out. You're gonna wanna pull up and then pull up on this side. Go ahead and grab it out. Balance it. And barely place it right on top, being very careful not to scratch anything. All right, now just to show y'all, remember when we placed it on the top, remember to line up that little ball right into that hole there on both sides, and that's what's going to really make sure this thing is in the correct alignment. Same thing on this side as well. Let's just make sure that it's lined up. Pretty much is. Then these will fall into place on the top. And it just kind of fits down. All you do is snug it down. All right, now that the top's back on, make sure this clip goes right up there, this one right there, and then that one there. Now that everything's done, roof is snug again. It's all good to go.
All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed me showing you how to take the roof off the C7 Corvette here. If you like the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be coming out with a couple more videos here in the future. But y'all stay awesome. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.